What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is a special one because I'm traveling from Sri Lanka to Australia. So this is the first time I'm taking a flight from a country to another country. So I think this will really be an enjoyable one. So I am currently at the Bandaranayaka International Airport. So this is one of the lounge areas they have, and upstairs you can see there's the duty free area. This is my ticket. I'm traveling to Melbourne from Thai Airways, and I also have a transit at Bangkok Swarnabhumi International Airport. So I need to go to upstairs to go to my lounge area, and here it says it's gate 9. So let's find it. Uh, as you can see here, there are several shops. You can buy stuff in the duty free area for things like jewelries, clothes, fast foods, and so many things. Here in outside areas, you can also see some planes. Uh, I stop at that area, so this is the area that normally the planes are stopping. So you need to walk along this pathway to go to the lounge areas for international flights. So this is one of the footpaths they have. This one helps us to go from one place to another quickly. They are moving with electrical, I think electrically. I don't know exactly what the mechanical process behind that, but they move. They help us to move from one place to one place fast. So you can see here there's Sri Lankan flight. So I'm about to enter into the my lounge area. So this is the economy class lounge area, and you can also see there are quite a few people at the moment. Here outside you can also see that's the Sri Lankan flight that we saw earlier. So this is the first time I'm seeing a airplane to this much close in my life. Wow, it's a big one. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the first time I'm traveling from country to country. So it's better to know this stuff before you travel. So this is the gate number 9. So we are going to enter into the airplane. So this is the pathway that we need to walk towards to enter into the airplane, and you can also see this is the Thai Airways airplane, and this is not an Airbus, but it's quite a big one. So guys, I'm traveling in the economy class. I also can travel in business or first class if I need it, but at the moment I think it's quite expensive. So uh, let's see in a different type of flight and different country. Let's see travel in a different class. So this is the area. This is the area where I seated, and there are several seats other than my area. There are many seats actually. So this is the seat that I that I took, and it's also seat near to the window. So I think I could have a better view at the moment. So there's no one beside me, so I think I will be comfortable. So as you can see here, I got a seat near to the window, and I think I could get a better view, and you also get headphones like this when you are traveling. You also have information screen and a remote to control it manually. So this is the headphone they are giving us. Guys, this is the insecurity information video that they are playing when you are traveling. So this is not the complete video because it's complete video is quite a long one. So uh, I'm fast forwarding this, but I will do a separate vlog about this information. It's information that we are giving us for security purposes, and I think it's a good thing that they also do it in sign language because it's a good thing for the people with special needs. So the flight is uh, I think 3 hours and 25 minutes flight, 25 minutes flight, and it's nearly 1484 miles. So it will take some time. Guys, we are about to take off. As you can see here, I don't know, you can't see it clearly because it's the night time. So let's do a takeoff for first time in my life. Guys, if you can experience this, as well, it's a weird feeling when you take off from ground and to go up into air. So at the moment we are at the air and takeoff is over. So now we are traveling in uniform speed. So this information is seen as I told you earlier is with touch screen. You can watch movies, listen to music, watch TV series and many things like that. So I think they have a pretty good collection here. They have new release movies, comedy movies, action movies, and they also have some pretty much some old classic movies also. Guys, when you're traveling, always listen to the security information that they are giving because it's very important especially when in an emergency. Always remember to fasten your seat belts when you are taking off and when you are landing, and the cover for the windows must always be open when you are landing and when you are taking off. Other than this, your phone must always be switched off or put to flight mode when you are traveling, especially when taking off and landing. So this is food they are giving us. They give us fruit and drinks. Let's take a bite and enjoy it. And remember, when you are traveling, you can ask if you want more food. You can ask for more. If you also need special foods like if you are a vegetarian or something like that, so you can also request them on flight or before you taking your flight. We are about to land on Bangkok Suvarnabhumi International Airport at the moment. So now we are taking off from the plane and we are going into the airport. So this is the flight that I took to come to Bangkok. As you can see here, Bangkok airport is quite a big one, so always remember to protect your stuff when you're traveling because it's very important, especially your hand luggage. As you can see here, it's a big one, so always alert about the information they are giving about your gate numbers and the lounge areas you need to be. So this is uh, pathway need to uh, for I need to go to my lounge area. Actually, outside the lounge area, so you can see there are a lot of planes. Like there, I think I saw Etihad Airways, Singapore Airways, and also some Sri Lankan Airways flights. This is Etihad Airways flight. ทางด้านขวาขอความกรุณาท่านผู้โดยสารแสดงบัตรที่นั่งขณะเข้าเครื่องกับคุณค่ะ so guys, down there is my lounge area for economy class and business class. All they are all together here. So I'm about to go into the plane. There are several. I think there are many people for this flight than the last flight I took earlier. So we are traveling in Airbus A359 jet. So I think that's the reason we have a lot of passengers here. So it's 9 hours and 10 minutes flight. Nearly it's 4,568 miles. So this one will take some time. So this is the flight that I'm traveling, and I forgot to tell that we took off. I forgot to record that because it's I didn't get seat near to the window this time, so unfortunately me. So sorry for that. And you can also have information like this and several movies. You can also see the flight path and stuff like that. So this flight path from Bangkok to Melbourne. So guys, I hope you all enjoy the video. So guys, I'm forget to record the live video because my battery went dead. So at the moment I'm at the Melbourne airport at Melbourne city. So guys, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos.